Hi, we're Big Y's dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. When watching the big game, there's nothing better than snacking on delicious dips.
Lighten up the recipes you serve with creamy yogurts as the base, like these.
Southwest chicken dip. In a large bowl, mix together Greek yogurt, cream cheese, salsa, chili powder, chicken, black beans, corn, and shredded cheese. Transfer into a cast iron skillet and bake until bubbly. Garnish with chives, corn, and black beans, then serve with your favorite veggies and chips.
Spiced yogurt and honey dip. In a bowl, combine yogurt, honey, ground ginger, ground allspice, ground cinnamon, ground cardamom, and orange zest. Thoroughly mix ingredients together. Serve chilled alongside a variety of colorful fresh fruit like sliced apples and strawberries.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.